Ready? It's time. QuizHubLab. Ready? Quiz time.
Only true dessert geniuses can survive all 50. Most people fail before question 20. Let's see if you're in the top tier. Easy start. Which dessert is cold, creamy, and served in scoops? Ice cream or bagel? Correct, it's ice cream. Made by churning cream to add air, creating its smooth texture. Sweet warm-up. Which dessert is round with a hole? Donut or biscuit? Nice job. It's donut. The hole helps it cook evenly when fried. Think fast. Which dessert is small, frosted, and baked in paper cups? Cupcake or taco? You got it. It's cupcake. Portion-sized cakes that became hugely popular in modern bakeries. Look closely. Which dessert is chewy with chocolate chips? Cookie or omelette? Boom! It's cookie. Chocolate chip cookies were invented by accident in the 1930s. Easy points. Which dessert is stacked at birthdays with candles? Cake or burrito? Exactly right. It's cake. Layered cakes became popular for celebrations centuries ago. Still perfect? Which dessert is fruit baked inside crust? Pie or sandwich? Correct, it's pie. The crust helps trap moisture and flavor during baking. Medium mode. Which dessert is creamy with a crumb base? Cheesecake or meatloaf? Nice pick. It's cheesecake. Early versions date back to ancient Greece. Can you guess it? Which dessert is thin and folded with filling? Crepe or pizza slice? Nailed it. It's crepe. Ultra-thin batter creates its flexible texture. Tricky one. Which dessert is fried dough coated in cinnamon sugar? Churro or sausage? Smart choice. It's churro. Crispy outside, soft inside from deep frying. You're ahead of most viewers so far. Don't blink. Which dessert is frozen and served on a stick? Popsicle or celery? Correct, it's popsicle. Accidentally invented when a drink froze with a stick inside. How many did you get so far? Comment below. Challenge rising. Which dessert is rich and cut into squares? Brownie or crouton? Nice job. It's brownie. Known for its dense texture from minimal flour. Think fast. Which dessert is Italian, frozen and creamier than ice cream? Gelato or pasta? You got it! It's gelato. It has less air, making it denser and more intense in flavor. Watch carefully. Which dessert has coffee flavor and cream layers? Tiramisu or burrito bowl? Correct! It's tiramisu. Espresso-soaked layers give it its signature taste. Stay sharp. Which dessert has colorful, crisp shells and filling? Macaron or meatball? Exactly right. It's macaron, made with almond flour for a delicate texture. Most people miss this. Which dessert is banana with scoops and syrup, banana split, or hot dog? Boom! It's banana split. Invented in the early 1900s as a soda fountain treat. Harder now. Which dessert is pastry filled with cream and topped with icing? Eclair or pretzel rod? Correct, it's eclair. Made from choux pastry that expands when baked. Focus now. Which dessert is custard with a caramelized sugar top? Crème brûlée or rice bowl? Nice pick. It's crème brûlée. The sugar top is torched to create a crisp shell. This one tricks people. Which dessert is silky Italian molded cream? Panna cotta or burger bun? Nailed it. It's panna cotta, set with gelatin for a smooth texture. Tough one. Which dessert is spiral fried sweet soaked in syrup? Jalebi or onion ring? Correct, it's jalebi. Its shape increases surface area for syrup absorption. Almost nobody gets this. Which dessert is layered, English bowl sweet, trifle or noodle cup? Smart choice. It's trifle. Layers combine textures like sponge, cream, and fruit. Enjoying this? Subscribe for more challenges. Hard mode starts now. No options, just guess. Which dessert is a chewy Japanese rice cake? It's mochi, made from pounded glutinous rice, giving it a stretchy texture. Think fast. Which dessert is flaky pastry with nuts and syrup? Baklava or garlic bread? Nice job. It's baklava. Thin layers create a crisp, flaky structure. Focus. Which dessert is meringue topped with fruit and cream? Pavlova or taco shell? It's pavlova. Its crisp shell and soft center come from whipped egg whites. This is where people start failing. Look carefully. Which dessert is rolled sponge cake with cream swirl? Swiss roll or sushi roll? Correct! It's Swiss roll. The spiral forms when the cake is rolled while warm. Tricky now. Which dessert is Portuguese custard tart? Pastel de nata or chicken pot pie? It's pastel de nata. High heat creates its signature caramelized top. Stay sharp. Which dessert is tube pastry filled with sweet ricotta, cannoli or breadstick? Correct, it's cannoli. The shell stays crisp while holding creamy filling. Think fast. Which dessert is cream puffs stacked into a tower? Croquembouche or nacho stack? It's croquembouche. Caramel acts like glue to hold the structure. Almost expert. Which dessert is small choux pastry filled with cream? Profiterole or dumpling? Correct, it's profiterole, often topped with warm chocolate sauce. Don't lose focus. Which dessert is espresso poured over gelato, affogato, or soup bowl? It's affogato. The hot espresso melts the cold gelato instantly. Pressure rising. Which dessert is fluffy Japanese pancake stack? Soufflé, pancakes, or burger stack? Correct, it's soufflé pancakes. Their height comes from whipped egg whites. What's your score right now? Expert mode. Which dessert is shaved ice with syrup, snow cone, or meat pie? It's snow cone. Ice crystals reflect light, giving it a bright look. Think fast. Which dessert is Korean shaved ice with toppings? Bingsu or toast stack? Correct, it's bingsu, often topped with fruit, condensed milk, and beans. Stay focused. Which dessert is sticky sponge with toffee sauce? Sticky toffee pudding or tuna melt? It's sticky toffee pudding. Dates give it its moist texture. Experts only. Which dessert is honey-layered Russian cake? Medovik or chili dog? Correct, it's medovik. Thin layers absorb cream over time for softness. Don't blink. Which dessert is Turkish stretchy ice cream? Dondurma or oatmeal? It's dondurma. Elastic texture comes from natural stabilizers. Hard one. Which dessert is semolina cake soaked in syrup? Basbousa or rice patty? Correct, it's basbousa. Syrup keeps it moist and sweet. Think fast. Which dessert is cheese pastry with syrup? Kanafe or garlic knot? It's kanafe. Combines crispy pastry with melted cheese inside. Almost there. Which dessert is Dutch mini fluffy pancakes? Poffertjes or chicken nugget? Correct, it's poffertjes. Cooked in special pans for their shape. Final stretch. Which dessert is colourful Sicilian ricotta cake? Cassata or steak pie? It's cassata, decorated with vibrant candied fruits. Only legends remain. Which dessert is sesame-based sweet fudge? Halva or fish stick? Correct, it's halva. Made from ground sesame seeds or flour. Only real experts reach this far. Subscribe if that's you. Final boss begins. Which dessert is flaky pastry with almond filling claws? Bear claw or taco boat? It's bear claw. Almond paste gives it its rich flavor. No mercy now. Which dessert is bright citrus tart? Lemon tart or burger patty? Correct, it's lemon tart. Its sharp flavor comes from fresh citrus juice. Almost nobody gets this. Which dessert is coconut chewy mound, macaroon, or meatball sub? It's macaroon. Made primarily from coconut, unlike almond-based macarons. Stay alive. Which dessert is Italian half-frozen mousse? Semifreddo or potato wedge? Correct, it's semifreddo. Air whipped into it keeps it soft when frozen. One mistake ends it. Looks easy, it's not. Which dessert is Portuguese fried dough ribbons? It's Filhas. Traditionally made during holidays and festivals, nightmare level. Which dessert is Filipino purple yam jam? Ube halea or beef wrap? Correct, it's ube halea. Its vivid color comes naturally from purple yam. Last chance. Which dessert is French layered pastry slice? Millefeuille or cornbread? It's millefeuille. Dozens of thin layers create its crisp texture. Ultimate test. Which dessert is silky caramel custard? Flan or burger bun? Correct, it's flan. The caramel layer forms during cooking. Penultimate boss. Which dessert is chocolate cake with molten center? Lava cake or salad bowl? It's lava cake. Undercooking the center keeps it liquid. Final question. Which dessert is stacked crepes with cream? Meal crepe or meat pie? Correct, it's Miller crepe. You made it to the end. How many out of 50 did you get? Comment your final score.
How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who's the smartest.